Oppo's Reno series is one of its most popular smartphone lineups, especially since these devices target the mid-range segment. The Reno phones are more affordable than their flagship lineup but still offer attractive specs and gorgeous designs. With the next-gen Reno 14 series, with Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro, Oppo has officially announced that the next-gen Reno 14 series will soon arrive in China. The arrival of the Reno 14 series seems imminent, with the first images of the Reno 14 recently surfacing on Weibo. The images shared by tipster DCS reveal that the Oppo Reno 14, the phone features a large R-angle design and an aluminum alloy side frame, giving it a look very similar to an iPhone. The Reno 14 will feature a 6.59-inch OLED LTPS panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It is expected to feature a 50-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 50-megapixel telephoto camera. The Reno 14 will feature the Dimensity 8350 chip and ColorOS 15-based Android 15, a 6000 mAh battery with 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.